In this video, we break down the top 5 best vacuum cleaner for carpet cleaning you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best vacuum cleaner for carpet cleaning on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best vacuum cleaner for carpet cleaning are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Carpet Cleaner. If you have pets at home, you know how challenging it can be to keep carpets fresh and clean. The Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet Carpet Cleaner 2987 is specifically designed to tackle pet messes, stains, and embedded dirt with ease. Lightweight yet effective, this carpet cleaner offers a budget-friendly and user-friendly solution for pet parents who want to maintain a cleaner home without hiring a professional. At the heart of this machine is the PowerBrush Roll, a 4-row rotating brush that lifts and removes embedded dirt and pet hair from carpet fibers. Paired with Bissell's oxy-based cleaning formula, it does a great job of refreshing high-traffic areas, pet messes, and everyday stains. While it may not match the power of higher-end professional machines, it punches above its weight class, especially for small to medium cleaning jobs. Bissell markets this model for pet owners, and it delivers. The strong suction and brush agitation help pull up pet hair and stains, while the compact size means you can clean up messes quickly before they set in. It's a great tool for dealing with accidents, muddy paw prints, or fur stuck deep in carpet fibers. The TurboClean 2987 has a sleek, compact design that makes it easy to maneuver and store, especially in smaller spaces. Our second best vacuum cleaner for carpet cleaning is Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe boasts a lightweight design, weighing approximately 18 pounds, making it easy to maneuver across various floor surfaces and transport between rooms or levels. Its ergonomic handle enhances user comfort during extended cleaning sessions. The machine's dual-tank system separates clean and dirty water, simplifying the filling and emptying processes. Additionally, the transparent nozzles and tanks allow users to monitor water levels and cleaning progress effectively. Automatic detergent mixing. This feature ensures the optimal ratio of detergent and water, eliminating guesswork and promoting effective cleaning. Heated cleaning. The application of heated air aids in faster drying times, allowing carpets to be ready for use sooner. Versatile attachments. The machine includes an 8-foot hose, stair tool, upholstery tool, and crevice tool, enhancing its versatility for cleaning stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with spin scrub technology, the Power Scrub Deluxe features 360-degree counter-rotating brushes that gently yet effectively scrub carpet fibers from multiple angles, ensuring a thorough clean. The dual V nozzle provides consistent suction across the cleaning path, facilitating even and efficient water extraction. Users have reported impressive results, with some noting the machine's ability to remove stains that had been set for years, leaving carpets looking revitalized. Number 3 in our list is Shark EX201 CarpetXpert Upright Carpet Cleaner. The Shark EX201 CarpetXpert Upright Carpet, Area Rug and Upholstery Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle deep-seated dirt and stubborn stains, making it particularly suitable for pet owners and households with high foot traffic. Stain Striker technology. This innovative feature combines 2 unique cleaning agents that activate upon contact, delivering up to 20 times more stain-fighting power compared to standard cleaners. Built-in spot and stain remover. The integrated handheld tool allows for targeted cleaning of stairs, upholstery, and isolated stains, enhancing the cleaner's versatility. CarpetXpert technology. A combination of a high-speed brush roll, power spray high-pressure spray, and strong suction effectively removes embedded dirt and grime, ensuring thorough cleaning. Pet-friendly design. Specifically engineered to eliminate pet odors and stains, this cleaner is ideal for households with animals. Users have reported impressive results with the Shark EX201, noting its ability to rejuvenate carpets and remove years of accumulated dirt. Fourth recommendation in our side is Eureka Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Users have reported that the NEU 350 delivers impressive suction power, effectively lifting dirt and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The swivel steering enhances maneuverability, making it easier to clean around obstacles. However, some users have noted that the vacuum may struggle with larger debris on hard surfaces. Powerful suction. Equipped with dual cyclone technology, the NEU 350 maintains strong suction, effectively handling large debris, fine dust, and pet hair without performance loss. Multi-surface cleaning. The manually adjustable brush roll enables seamless transitions between carpets and hard floors, ensuring thorough cleaning on different surfaces. Pet-friendly tools includes a pet turbo brush specifically designed to remove pet hair and dander from various surfaces, making it ideal for pet owners. LED headlights. Bright LED lights illuminate the cleaning path, aiding visibility under furniture and in dark corners. Extended reach. A quick release handle and a 7.5-foot extended reach facilitate cleaning of above-floor areas like curtains and shelves. Last in our top 5 best vacuum cleaner for carpet cleaning list is Dreame N10 Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Dreame N10 Portable Carpet Spot and Upholstery Cleaner stands out as a powerful and versatile cleaning solution, particularly suitable for pet owners and those dealing with frequent spills and stains. Its combination of strong suction, hot water cleaning, and user-friendly features makes it a valuable addition to any household's cleaning arsenal. Extended reach and portability. An extended 3.6-foot hose and 16.4-foot power cord provide ample reach for cleaning large areas without frequent repositioning. Weighing approximately 4.3 kilograms, the N10's lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and easy maneuverability. Large dual water tanks, featuring a 1.6-liter clean water tank and a 0.75-liter used water tank. The N10 separates clean and dirty water to avoid resoiling, with large capacities that mean fewer water changes during cleaning sessions. Versatile cleaning tools. The device comes with specialized stain tools, including a standard stain brush and a multi-use tool for tight spaces,